Hi everyone. Welcome to the world of high-performance custom motorcycles. Today, we're excited to present the Harley-Davidson BREAKOUT 117 Custom by Thunderbike, the GPZ. This machine is more than just a bike, it's a deeply personal creation, handcrafted to reflect the unique desires and vision of its owner. At Thunderbike, we believe that a true custom motorcycle is never just about parts, it's about individuality. Each build is meticulously tailored to the specific needs and dreams of the rider, ensuring that the final product is not only stunning in appearance but also a reflection of their personality. The GPZ is part of our Grand Prix range, and as professionals with years of experience, we take the time to ensure every detail is perfect. So, what exactly is the GPZ? It's really just a random combination of letters when we create a new custom bike from our GP range. Perhaps the only thing our GPZ has in common with the Japanese brand whose corporate branding prefers the color green is performance. At least compared to the former top models in the Japanese league. But we deliver that performance with twice the displacement. And our GPZ looks better. We need that much time to avoid misunderstandings. We need even more time when we present our very own GPZ. It really is very personal, because a custom bike is always tailored to the customer's personal wishes. But because we are professionals, we have a lot to offer in our Grand Prix range. It starts with our core competence, the wheels. Not only do we give the 117 series BREAKOUT new soles, we also give it a new face. We have replaced the BREAKOUT's 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel with versions that are at least one size larger, 23-inch front and 21-inch rear. Doesn't that make the BREAKOUT a completely different bike? The new values are not only external. A GP monoblock wheel is actually a single piece, milled from a 400 kg aluminium block, now weighing just 15 kg each and powder-coated in gold. In keeping with the sporty character of the name and the 117cc engine, the brakes are now doubled, with 340 mm diameter Streetmaster brake discs held in radial monoblock calipers. The front fender is also taken from our GP range. And in the down tube, stanchions with an exclusive black DLC coating, diamond-like carbon, the best possible surface treatment. The hyper-pro inner workings of the fork are once again a testament to more than just external values. The two-tone GP triple trees hold the original speedometer and are guided by our two-piece GP clip-on handlebars. The clutch cable, converted to hydraulic, nestles close. The turn signals stripe LED are well hidden under the phantom satin grips. We're not going to show you the colorfulness of the backlit rebuff any fittings on our Thundertalk. The headlamp cap, painted by Ingo Cruz in the style of the whole bike, cannot be overlooked anyway. The GP aluminium fuel tank is an old friend, but with its extroverted lines it always looks new. We welded the steel GP chin fairing to the frame's lower beams to create a flowing line. Even the forward controls are from our GP range. And then there's the rear. The single-sided swing arm gives a clear view of the 21-inch rear wheel, not even obstructed by the brake disc, which we've replaced above the GP pulley with an oversized perimeter brake. This type of brake is normally only found in racing, where it's all about unmistakable grip. Welded over the rear wheel is our GP fender with integrated multifunction rear lights. This, too, was done in the service of a flowing line, as was the left-hand license plate holder with internal number plate. The Slamtail chassis with air ride, modified by us, also serves the line. The fender hugs the 260 tires with suction. The rear end blends seamlessly into the modified seat shell, which we fitted with a saddle covered in spirit leather. Covers such as the clutch cover with the Frankfurt Eintracht emblem are part of the visual fine-tuning. The GPZ logo is lasered into the cylinder heads and the tappet blocks and lower rocker boxes are powder-coated in gold. Acoustic fine-tuning is provided this time by electronically controlled Cruisetec sound management mufflers in a legal unit with our drilled power air filter. Would you expect all this from a Japanese? So not another word about coincidental name similarities. What you see here can only be done on a Harley, and it's not the color green. In modern interpretations, the symbol Z is often used as a metaphor for speed and dynamism, frequently seen in automotive design and motorsports. It evokes a sense of forward momentum and high performance, making it a fitting choice for a custom bike that embodies both power and precision. However, following Russia's invasion of Ukraine in 2022, the symbol Z has taken on a much darker meaning outside of Russia. It has become associated with aggression, violence, and occupation, particularly in the context of war crimes and the devastation caused by the invasion. In some countries, displaying the Z has even been criminalized due to its strong association with supporting war and conflict. As a result, it's important to be aware that riding a motorcycle adorned with this symbol could cause serious misunderstandings or even legal issues in certain regions. In some places, it's best to avoid appearing on a bike featuring the Z symbol altogether. Despite these negative connotations, in the world of custom motorcycles, the Z still retains its original essence, a representation of speed, excellence, and the cutting edge of performance. Thanks for watching.